3 ways technology innovations are propelling Tesla forward. Tesla. You either adore it or despise it. The technology developed by Tesla generates just as much controversy as the continually fluctuating stock price of the corporation. Regardless, Tesla continues to make headway in its mission to transform the automotive industry through the development of electric vehicle (EV) technology and manufacturing innovation, and the company also has its sights set on a variety of other technologies that will usher in a new era for society. How many automakers were seriously contemplating the adoption of electric vehicle technology 5 years ago? Few in number. Tesla was an early pioneer in this field, and they continue to pave the way for other companies as time goes on. If things continue to progress at this rate, Tesla's advancements in technology may very well have an impact on the digital transformation arena for businesses all over the world. Tesla has changed the automotive and energy arena by going against the grain in the same manner, much as how many software organizations have transitioned from traditional software to the new cloud-based ERP systems. The following are the top 3 ways in which Tesla has disrupted the technological area inside their sector. Number 1. Improvements in manufacturing achieved through the use of large-scale die casting. Automobiles are constructed from hundreds of individual parts, each of which, to construct the automobile's chassis, must be fabricated and put together individually. Historically, this task has been carried out by workers or even robots, and it involves putting together a collection of separate parts, think castings, rivets, welding, bolting, bonding, etc. For over half a century, this has been the method used to construct automobiles. That, on the other hand, is beginning to shift thanks to Tesla. They are patenting some of the largest die casting machines that have ever been developed. And these equipment are now in use in the production site that Tesla maintains in California. The purpose of the machine is to build a significant chunk of the vehicle's frame in a single piece as opposed to employing several separate components. The integration of these two systems will provide Tesla with several technological benefits, including the following: reduced construction times and costs of manufacturing. Assembly requires less floor area in the plant. Increased dependability of the product, fewer parts to break or wear out. Reduced prices for manufacturing machinery and tools. Consumers could potentially benefit from a reduction in costs. When you think of Elon Musk, the word disruptor immediately comes to mind. When it comes to the industrial industry, he is not afraid to think creatively and outside the box. Over the past 15 years, he has made several unsuccessful attempts to reimagine the assembly line, but this has never deterred him. He is not hesitant to challenge old production procedures with new ideas, even while the improvements he makes to manufacturing may be meant to benefit his company. If large-scale die casting is successful, Tesla will experience a reduction in the amount of time and money required to produce vehicles, which will allow the company to lower the MSRP of its vehicles to increase its market share and improve its reputation for providing products of poor quality in some of its offerings. Number 2. The technology behind Tesla's self-driving cars is light years ahead of anything else on the market. Tesla is best known for making automobiles, but the corporation is a technological company with a portfolio that ranges from the construction of rockets to the construction of automobiles. This is made abundantly clear by the fact that, in addition to their automobiles and engines, they also dominate the development of new technology. For instance, they were the first to develop the technology for autonomous driving, which relies on machine learning and AI to perform its functions. Not only does this help create revenue for Tesla, but it also serves as a crucial differentiation for the company. Tesla has established itself as the leading maker of electric vehicles, EVs, even though General Motors and other automobile manufacturers are looking into electric vehicle, EV, technology. In the beginning, their rivals did not take them seriously, and the cutting-edge technology that Tesla has incorporated into their vehicles was not even on the rivals' radar to begin with. Musk is committed to one day reaching level 5, which is the jargon used in the industry for completely operational and risk-free self-driving vehicles on the market. This goal of Musk's is unaffected by the actions taken by his rivals. Tesla has what it takes to continue developing this technology till they reach that level, even though they still have a ways to go before they get there. They are also driven by the potential advantages that will accrue to them as a direct result of the development of this EV technology, such as the following: an undeniable benefit that will attract new clients to the brand. Additional post-sale software revenue generated by software-equipped vehicles and updates delivered over the air. Control because they own their supply chain for both hardware and software chips. New business opportunities. Would companies like Uber and Lyft be interested in autonomous vehicles if they were available? Number 3. An essential component for driving the Tesla semi-truck, which has only been announced but not yet produced. Innovation in battery technology. When discussing the viability of electric vehicles and their continued development, it is impossible to understate the significance of battery technology, sometimes known as battery chemistry. Tesla has made several innovations in battery technology over the years, including improvements to battery composition, battery safety, and charging capabilities. The purchaser's primary concerns are the product's scope and its durability. While Tesla has been a pioneer in the progress of these areas, the company's primary focus has been on lowering the cost of its batteries as it works toward its goal of making electric vehicles accessible and cheap to populations all over the world. The new Tesla Powerpack is a commercial electricity venture in South Australia that utilizes battery power to stabilize the commercial power system in that region. It is one example of the unique work that they have been doing. According to reports, it was a success in terms of sustainable energy, and it saved approximately $40 million in its first year of operation. This is but one illustration of what Tesla is capable of and will accomplish with battery power. The 22nd of September was Tesla's Battery Day, and it provided us with an insight into the company's ever-developing battery technology. It was announced that there will be information regarding EV batteries that were available at reduced costs. However, as only Tesla is capable of doing, there were also a few surprises to get everyone interested. In conclusion, what exactly is the relevance of Tesla to ERP? Because Tesla is working on such a wide variety of products and resources, inevitably, the company's technology will eventually make an impact on the ERP market. Their goal of providing internet access to remote areas by scattering satellites across the sky may one day become a reality and become the internet that cloud-based ERP systems rely on. The recent developments in solar power have the potential to make solar energy the primary source of electricity that powers our homes and places of business alike. It is always a good idea to stay up to date on what disrupting companies are doing, as it very well may affect the day-to-day operations of your company in the future. How was the video? Did you enjoy it? Post your feedback in our comment section below, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates.